Discover your musical potential in Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn E Major Bar Chord. Okay, everybody, E Major Bar Chord. So what you do is, let me see, let me just show the guitar here clearly. So you put your first finger on the 7th fret, okay? Hold closely, and then put your second finger on the 9th fret on the 4th string. Third finger goes on the 9th fret on 3rd string, and pinky finger goes on 9th fret, 2nd string. Okay? And that's your E major bar chord. The best way to handle this, so you can get a clear sound, always remember the thumb right across your first finger. And always use your fingertips. Okay? And there you have it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.